Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Do not forget to keep liking and subscribe for more beautiful content, guys. And you could drop a comment. I'll be there to reply to all your comments. And we still have Portable, right? This time he's out on the street, like he's out on the street asking people to buy Odogwu bitters. He is there to promote what is really paid for. I tell you, this guy is the best person for this sponsorship deal because he's very hardworking. It's obvious that this guy is ready. See, it's very deep for the whole promotion. I made a video that time. I said this guy is not just a musician, he's an hype man. Portable hypes people a lot. Like, okay, this is how it's going now. He's going street to street and telling people to buy Odogwu bitters. And this guy has a huge followers on Instagram already. He has 1 million followers on Instagram, and he's somebody that people loves in the street. So sure, people will surely come and buy Odogwu bitters because Portable is involved, guys. Let me enjoy the video so that you watch and.